Hey fellow explorers, it's Chris from TDR Explorer, and today I'm going to show you some of the awesome summer food they have here at Tokyo Disneyland to keep you cool. First, I'm going to try this one because it's the most interesting. This one is shaved ice, and you can see it has the green alien mochi on it. I don't know what flavor is in it yet. And then there's also azuki bean, which is a sweet bean that they use in Japanese sweets. And then here we have mikan, which is just a Japanese citrus. Okay. Oh, has custard in it. I love this. Okay, now for this. Yeah, this is very refreshing. I definitely recommend this. And you can get this with the souvenir cup here at the gazebo, which is right in front of Pirates. Now I'm gonna give this a try. It's starting to melt. I'm gonna get all over myself. It's so refreshing. It's hot today too, so this is like the perfect snack to get. Another good way to stay cool when you're at Tokyo Disneyland this summer is having the crushed ice. Yes, it's ice, and yes, it is flavored. And this year, it is soda flavored. It's 310 yen, and I know it sounds like a lot to pay for ice that's flavored, but you know what? When it's hot out, it doesn't matter. These are delicious and very refreshing. The colorful ice milk is a nice, quick treat and is perfect for the kids. And you can't deny how awesomely colorful it is. Make sure you eat it quick because it will melt. Now, I'm not one that usually gets the hot dogs, but the seasonal ones they have here at Tokyo Disneyland are always top notch. This curry flavor hot dog with tomato and cheese sauce is awesome. I love it. The packaging is quite nice too. And also, you can get a optional lunch case. Oh, and it also comes with fries and a drink. Perfect. This traditional fizzy drink is very popular with the kids, and it's called lemonade soda. And there's a little marble inside when you open it up, and it's a really nice and refreshing drink. All right, so summer food isn't all ice cream and shaved ice. So I'm here at Grandma Sarah's, and I'm having her special lunch, or her special set. So we got some beef here, beef with some summertime vegetables, and we have some omelet and rice. We've got some broccoli here, you know, you kind of have to get your veggies in on it. And we have some cold corn soup. This is really good, by the way. And for dessert, we have this coconut cake. And because I'm a sucker, I ended up getting this chocolate banana cake. I haven't had it yet, but it looks really delicious. But you can also get this souvenir plate, which is super adorable. I couldn't resist this. I really had to get it. This is a legit plate. It has Chip and Dale on it, you can see. And it also says Disney Natsu Matsuri 2017 on it. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but it is ridiculously cute. And I'm going to get eating before my soup gets cold. My cold soup gets cold. My favorite snack, though, is the Minnie ice bar, which is raspberry and peach flavored. As I said, this is by far my favorite. It tastes delicious. Love it, love it, love it. The only thing is you have to eat this quick, otherwise it's going to melt in the heat. All right, fellow explorers, thank you so much for joining me as I showed you some of the summer snacks you can get here at Tokyo Disneyland. If you want to learn more, you can visit our website, tdrexplorer.com, and don't forget to subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, don't mind me, I'm going to finish this before it melts.